What's up guys, welcome back for another video. Christos here, and today it keeps getting requested, so I am going to be heading out and doing some more retail arbitrage, live raw footage of me heading out into the shops, seeing what I can find, good or bad. May hit some charity shops as well, but it's Good Friday, so I'm not sure if they're going to be open, but the weather is absolutely amazing. I'm not sure if you can see it out here, but yeah, it's quite hard to see, but yeah, we're going to be hitting some shops, raw footage. May do good, may do bad, but you'll soon find out. See you in a bit.
Sinner, would you be the preacher? Would you be my done? I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it.
Okay, so I've just got to TK Maxx, and TK Maxx has never really been a great sourcing spot for me. It might just be me, but every item I seem to find in there is the sales rank is either way too high, and they'll say that it's been like a 70-80% reduction, but the price is even lower on Amazon, so I don't really know how to take it sometimes. But I know that over in America, I think it's called TJ Maxx. Don't know why, but I've seen some really good hauls from there, but I haven't been here for a while, so you never know. My luck might change in there. Let's have a look, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. It wasn't great. I think I was in there for about 25 minutes. Yeah, maybe a little less, I don't know. But I found one item. I found 5 of them, and it was this Oxford Scott Safe. It's like a micro scooter lock. I'm guessing it's like a bike lock, but I paid £4.99 for them, and they're selling on Amazon for £15. It's going to give me about £5.50 each. So like I said, I got 5 of them, so it's going to return me, I believe, if I've done my maths right, £27.50 profit. So 20 minutes, £27, average start. Let's go to the next shop. So the Sainsbury's haul was pretty good. We got 5 of these Cranium Junior games, which is going to return me a total of about £45 in profit. And then we got about 8 or 9 of these Hasbro Bop It travel games, which is going to return me another £45 in profit, leaving me a total of £90 profit from that haul. Treating myself to an Easter egg as I was there, and yeah, decent. Okay, so it turns out that not all the charity shops are shut on Good Friday, which is great news for me. I've got a couple behind me now, which I'm going to pop into in a second and look for some used books. But before I go in, I just want to talk to you guys about sales rank. So before I went into TK Maxx, you might have heard me mention the word sales rank. And if you're new to Amazon FBA, Retail Arbitrage, and you're looking at getting into it, and you've heard the word sales rank and you don't know what it is, basically all it is an indication of how well a product is selling. So for example, every product that is added to Amazon will be given a category. So for example, you'll have toys and games, books, health and beauty, and so on. And then from there, it will be given a sales rank. So number 1 in that category, so sales rank number 1 will be the most selling product in that category, and then it will just increase and it will just go up. So if you've got a product that is sales rank 10,000 and then it sells a couple of times, then that sales rank will go down. If you've got a product that is 5,000 and it doesn't sell for a couple of days, couple of weeks, then that sales rank will gradually go up. So that is basically sales rank. I will do a video basically going into that a little bit more in more depth, because there's a lot more to it than that, but that's just the basics. And yeah, sales rank basics. Okay guys, so we're back at the flat now, and yeah, I'd just like to finish all of my videos back here, have a little bit of a reflection of the day and how it went. The only thing I didn't manage to capture picking up on camera today was these Talking Tom toys from B&M. They were actually on clearance. I know I've got 4 here if you can see them, but I actually managed to pick up 12. I got them at half price at £4, and they're going to make me about £5 per unit there. So I'm looking at about £60 profit that I'm going to add on to the day's total. I also, as you can see, as you saw earlier on, I picked up these 4 books from Oxfam. I didn't pay any more than, I believe, £5 for the lot, and they're going to bring me a return of £30 in profit for all 4 of those books when they sell. Obviously, if you've seen previous videos, you'll learn that there are higher margins in books, but it took me a little bit longer to find those. I think I was in that Oxfam for about 40 minutes picking those out. So that's just how books goes. But yeah, really good day. Oh, well, it's only actually 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I've only been out for the morning, and as you can see up in one of the corners here, my total profit is actually at around £200. So 3 hours, £200. I'm really happy with that. If I'd have carried on, then who knows what I could achieve, but it's Good Friday and the weather is absolutely fantastic, so I'm going to get out and enjoy myself a little bit in the sunshine. Hope you liked the video. As always, drop me a comment with any questions that you've got around retail arbitrage, Amazon FBA, or anything of the kind. Like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I shall see you guys in the next video. Cheers.